Which type of real estate investment is right for you? I think it's a question you need to ask yourself before entering the real estate market. In my book, The Art of Real Estate Investment, Entry to Exit, in chapter 3, it explains that to you and it helps you answering that question for yourself. But in a nutshell, you can buy a home obviously for yourself and your family, buying a property to generate rental income, buying property with the aim to resell on profit, that's capital gain, or it's a corporate investment where you buy a property to expand your business, could be an office or a warehouse. And of course, there's also professional investments when you're a savvy investor or when you're a professional real estate investor and it's what you do for a living, investing in real estate. Now, each of these types require different action plans and different skill set and different knowledge that you need to acquire in order for you to make the right decisions. All of this and more you can find in chapter number 3 of my book, The Art of Real Estate Investment, Entry to Exit, which you can buy, of course, online from Amazon or booksarabia.com, or you can get it also in all major bookstores in Dubai. It's available in English as well as in Arabic, بالعربي. So whether you're an investor or you know someone who's going to jump into the real estate market, share with them this video and they will thank you forever.